Welcome to Cukmekerb's coding class. Today, I'm going to show you how to use the Quotes on Design API to get quotes. Yeah, it gets you a different quote every day. This is today's quote, and just so you know, there is a new API, which is super confusing, and it overcomplicates things, and you can do pretty much everything you would want to do with the new API, with the old API, which is way easier. So, I'm going to show you how to do it with the old API. Let's get started. Alright, so to get started, pop open your text editor or whatever you prefer to use to write HTML, and this is going to be a super easy one. And you're going to start by adding a doc type tag, as you always should. Actually, if you don't want to, you don't have to, but I want to. So I'm going to. Doc type HTML. Alrighty, and let me just quickly save this file. I'm going to call it quotes, and not .txt, but .html. Right on my desktop. Save. Perfect. Alright, back to work. So we're going to start by adding a block quote tag. So, block quote. I always spell quote wrong. It's annoying. ID equals, and in quotes, QOD, which stands for Quotes on Design, dash QUOTE, which is how you're supposed to spell quote, and I always get it wrong. Gotta remember how to spell quote. Don't forget, people. And just close that block quote tag. Slash block quote. I spelled it right. Yes. Okay. And now just one more thing you gotta do for it to work. Add a script tag. Script src equals, and in quotes, that was so bad, equals, in quotes, paste in the link to the API that I put in the description. Paste it in! And that's it. Close those quotes and close that script tag. And save that file. And that's pretty much all you gotta do. Yeah. Here's Firefox. Let me just grab quotes.html off my desktop and drag it into my new tab page. And look at that. It works. And it gets you, I think, a quote a day, but that doesn't seem to be true right now. I don't know. It was giving me a different quote earlier, but that doesn't really matter, does it? The answer is no. It doesn't matter. But, you know, this is just boring. It's just text. To fix that, you can use CSS, and don't try styling this block quote tag. It's not going to do anything. Instead, you want to go style, and it's .QOD dash text. Whoa. Yeah, it's a completely different class. I don't know what kind of tag it is. And I'm going to make mine big and purple. So font dash size equals, not equals. This is not JavaScript. Font dash size colon 50px semicolon. Color colon purple. You can do a lot more with this if you want. I'm doing very basic styling because I want it that way, and because I'm too lazy to do something fancy. Yeah. And finally, for this little link here to the author, which when you click it, I don't know what it does. Oh, it just takes you to the website. Totally knew that. .QOD dash author, open curly braces, font dash size colon 20 px semicolon, and I'm gonna make it blue, so color blue semicolon, and close those curly braces. And I just noticed it's already blue, so yay me. And close that style tag and save that. Reload in your browser, and now the link is purple. Oh, I know why the link's purple. It's because I clicked it. That's why. Not because I did the CSS wrong. It's because I clicked it. So, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And there's one more thing. Can you guess what it's going to be? I bet you can't guess. Buy my merch. And remember that hats can be any color they want to be. Don't try to impose a color on your hat. You might hurt its feelings.